Good morning, and welcome to the Artist Morning. Today's meditation, we are going to go for a little journey. Meditations can be many things. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. Sometimes we use meditations to bring stillness to our lives. Sometimes meditations are helpful to allow us to carve out some space to feel what's real and alive within us. There are meditations that allow us to connect deeply with higher beings, with spirit, with soul, with God, with the infinite. And my intention with this morning's meditation is for us to ground, for us to tap into the frequency of love and gratitude, and maybe, possibly, for us to even travel through time and space and find an endless summer that lives forever within us. As always with the Artist Morning, there will be an invitation at the end of our meditation for you to participate in 15 minutes of private, personal journaling. You don't need to do this. If you want to do this, you get to do this. I found it's a great way to integrate whatever came up for you during the meditation. If you're joining us live, I'll put 15 minutes on the clock. And if you're not, you can do the same. Put 15 minutes on your clock and just give yourself permission to feel, to express, and to be. Taking a moment just to land in your seat, finding ease and comfort. And before we go into the meditation, I'd like to guide us through a very simple mindfulness exercise to get us set up for our meditation. If your eyes are closed, I invite you to open them now. With a gentle gaze and some curiosity, look around the room you are in and just notice all the objects, all the things you are sharing space with this morning. No need to try too hard. Just noticing. And perhaps there is one object that catches your attention. Bringing your awareness closer to this one object. With ease and comfort, no need to overthink or overdo here. Just being with this object. Noticing the shape, the colors, noticing if it's interacting or touching any other objects in your space. Bringing your attention to the distance between you and this object now. The space that exists between you. Taking a moment to reflect on everything this object does for you from a conscious standpoint, its utility and usefulness in your life. Even if it's a coaster, just take a moment to reflect. And then taking another moment to think about all the things this particular object might do for you and your space that you never really think of or consider. And lastly, if it feels right for you, send this object a little bit of love, transmit it from your heart, maybe even share a little baby smile in gratitude to this object. Take a nice deep breath here. And just sink in with your exhale. Feeling the new state of awareness we have cultivated together. And if your eyes are open, I invite you to close them now as we go inwards together. Bringing your attention to your breath. Finding a nice, easy breath. Just noticing as your chest rises and falls, rises and falls. Each breath getting a little more comfortable, finding a little more ease. Allowing a gentle, warm, loving softness to fall upon you now, starting from the top of your head. Just feel this warm glow as it works its way down your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Its warmth works its way down your neck, melting away any tension, dropping your shoulders to the floor, just feeling as this warmth softens your arms, your forearms, your fingertips, wraps around your chest, your back, like a hug from someone you love. Just melt into it, down your pelvic, down your thighs, knees, shins, toes. With your exhales, making an audible sigh and just letting go of anything that does not serve you this morning. And as we sit here together this morning, cultivating gratitude, cultivating the frequency of love and permission, just noticing the gentle humming vibration from within your heart. No matter what's happening in our lives, my belief is there is an endless, invincible summer that lives inside our hearts. That does not mean we give up on the physical world. That does not mean the only thing we do is sit and meditate and go to this place. But what it can mean is at any moment, if you are open to it and you are interested in it, you can access this place, whatever this place is for you. With this last song, I'd like to guide us through a little visualization that maybe, possibly, might give you a little access to your own endless summer inside your heart. Taking a nice, easy breath now. Bringing comfort and ease into your body. Softening your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. And just letting the warmth of summer that lives inside your heart grow. Let it expand through your body, reflecting perhaps on a moment, a summer day in the past, where things were just easy. Hearing perhaps the laughter of kids playing freely barbecues sizzling, of glasses clinking. Can you hear the laughter of loved ones everywhere? Guess what? There are no masks. Somebody new just arrived at the party, and everyone's getting up to give them a hug. A nice, long, juicy summer hug. I'll stay quiet for the last part of this song and just let you play. Yes, this song is over. Yes, this particular meditation is coming to an end. But dear artist, dear creator, I assure you that endless summer is alive forever inside your heart. Whenever you are maybe in need of a reminder of the warmth, of the joy, of the love that's all around you, you just need to carve out a little space for yourself, take a few deep breaths, and go inwards. Thank you for meditating with me this morning. It was an honor. It was a joy. It was a privilege. My name's Darius, and we'll see you next time.